So it's now given that f can be modeled by a binomial distribution. So let's see how we can do that. Find the probability that on a randomly chosen day, at least 7 marks are faulty. So every day he collects 50 marks, right? So I'm just gonna define it. Let f be the number of faulty marks out of 50, right? That is what is every day, right? So that is the number of marks there. So this case here with f binomial distribution, and this is 50 marks, and each mark has got 8% of being faulty, 0.8. There you go. So at least 7 marks are found. So required probability will just be pf at least 7 marks are found to be faulty. So this case here will be 1 minus pf less than equals to 6. Okay, just key in calculator, you should get the answer. So this just key in CDF. So 1 minus distribution CDF. Trial is 50, failure rate is 8%, and this would be 6. There's 0.10187. So 0.10187. Yeah, that's how we do this question in Proficiently.